Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the vertical jump test. This fundamental assessment measures your explosive leg power and overall athletic performance. It's a crucial indicator for sports requiring quick bursts of energy, like basketball or volleyball. We will focus on the most accurate method, ensuring reliable data for tracking your progress. Understanding this test is the first step to unlocking your full athletic potential and achieving your fitness goals. To begin, you'll need a reliable measuring tool, such as a vertical jump mat or a wall with a measuring tape securely affixed. Ensure the testing area is clear of any obstructions, providing at least 10 feet of overhead clearance. Wear appropriate athletic footwear for optimal grip and safety. A stable, non-slip surface is essential to prevent accidents and ensure consistent results throughout your testing sessions. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, then reach up to mark your standing reach height. Next, perform a counter-movement jump, swinging your arms downwards and then explosively upwards as you jump as high as possible. Mark the highest point you touch. Ensure your landing is controlled and stable. Avoid taking a step or a running start, as this will invalidate the test results and compromise accuracy. To calculate your vertical jump, subtract your standing reach height from your jump height. For example, if your reach is 80 inches and your jump is 100 inches, your vertical jump is 20 inches. Track these numbers over time to monitor improvements. Incorporate plyometric exercises, like box jumps and squat jumps, 2 to 3 times a week, to enhance your explosive power and increase your vertical leap significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.